So hey y'all, welcome to Girl Color Talk Black, back with another YouTube video. If you would like to see how I got this style, keep watching. Alright, this is the tool that I use to part my hair into separate pieces in the beginning, and that really helps with my speed because then all I have to really focus on is braiding or twisting my actual hair and the parting and stuff. And now I'll show you my tools, so my rubber bands, the mousse, the edge control, and my hair. This is me separating the hair, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 1.5 pieces. So I'm going to separate the hair one by one and put them all on the little spoolie thing, and then I'm going to get one of those pieces and break it in half. Now that is going to be easier when you actually have the hair in your hand, so you see what I'm talking about, but that is what I'm doing right now. Hey y'all, so see how I look. It is 9 a.m. It's 9:52 in the morning. So I am starting off on fresh, well, it's not necessarily freshly blow dried hair, but it's blow dried hair. And I'm going to part it the same exact way I would if I were to do a braid out or anything. I would just make sure the parts are a lot cleaner, especially this one up here, because that is the one that people are actually gonna see. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair, and then I'll come back to y'all when I'm at the top, so it'll be easier to film so that I can see what I'm doing. Hey y'all, I'm so happy because it took me so long. It probably wouldn't have taken me so long if I didn't take so many breaks, but that's neither here nor there. And I'm on my last 2 pieces. The first thing I do is comb it out because that essentially helps with the take out process, because it'll be a little bit easier to detangle. And then I take my Black Panther edge control. I feel like this was a really good hold for like my twist, so I'm probably going to continue to use this on other people's hair and even for braids and stuff. Now I have the piece of the crochet hair, and I'm going to run the mousse through it, and that is going to help with shine, and that's going to help it stay as well. And I always start these off with a braid. Now you can do the twisting method, but for me, honestly, I just start with a braid, and there's nothing wrong with that. My hands are in the way. I thought moving up closer to the camera was going to do something, and it didn't. But I do plan on having a box braid tutorial for you all, so that will kind of be the help for this video. But I'm starting off with the braid, and then as soon as I feel like that braid is secure in my head, then I'm going to start twisting. And then you honestly just twist all the way down. You can twist all the way down to the bottom, but for me, since I wanted these short, I kind of just stopped around my shoulder, and then I cut the excess hair, put a rubber band on, and then cut the rest of the hair, which you guys will see shortly. Bonus points if you can tell me what song I'm singing or what show I'm watching. Okay, so now my twists essentially are done and I can accessorize them however I want. I might put them little gold jewels on them. I'm still thinking about it right now, but yeah, for the most part, I'm gonna put those on and then I'm gonna be done. So I'll probably come back tomorrow after I put the jewels on so you guys can see the final product. All right, and I ended up putting, well, not me, but my sister ended up putting these little gold strings in my hair. I think it's really cute. We decided not to do the little jewels because I was just doing too much, but I'll turn around so you can see the back. It's gonna be like a slow turn. Now, I always be like feeling some type of way about the back because I can't see it, so I have to extend a little grace to myself to know that it's not going to be perfect just because I can't see it. But however it turns out, it's just going to turn out, and it is what it is. But I think it came out pretty good. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Bye.